This Bosch self-leveling cross-line laser provides vertical, horizontal, and cross-line modes for outstanding setup in a compact package with a smart pendulum system, highly visible laser lines, and overmolded construction. The laser does the job for leveling, plumbing, and other layout and alignment tasks, and the keypad operation makes selecting between horizontal, vertical, and cross-line modes effortless. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Layout efficiency. For versatility and productivity of a wide array of level and plumb uses, the Bosch projects cross lines, adding value to a typical point laser. This helps to ensure the right layout for enhanced efficiency. The laser's lines are highly visible up to 65 feet and offer an accuracy of 1/4 inches at 100 feet. The horizontal fans are wide to 130 degrees and vertical to 160 degrees. Number 2. Effortless accuracy. This Bosch cross-line laser self-levels so the operator doesn't have to level the tool. Not only does the Smart Pendulum System self-level, it indicates out-of-level conditions so that the user can have confidence in the accuracy of the measurements. The pendulum system locks when switched off. The user can switch to manual mode to lock the lines at any angle. Number 3. Rapid positioning. The kit includes the BM3 positioning device for quick setup and sealing grid applications and freestanding mode with its retractable feet. It has microfine height adjustment, enabling the user to adjust the working height of the device, then lock it. It also features multi-mounting systems, including strong magnets and slots for screws or nails. Number 4. Robust assembly. With its sturdy overmolded construction, the laser is built to provide water and dust protection for durable operation. It is formed with a sure grip design. It features an automatic unit shut-off to save battery life, and an easy-access battery box, so the operator can change batteries quickly. It has a pulse laser mode to extend the range to 165 feet with an optional laser receiver. Number 5. Class 2 laser product. Lesser than 1 MW power output, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will the laser line show up outdoors? Answer. This Bosch is designed for interior and exterior use. When used outdoors, the laser will not be as visible in bright light conditions. Using laser glasses will help enhance the laser line, as well as using a receiver will help in bright light conditions. Question number 2. Does this come with a laser target? Answer. This Bosch will include a small red target. Question number 3. Does it have a locking pendulum? Answer. This Bosch self-leveling tool has smart pendulum system that self-levels and indicates out-of-level condition. Does not have a manual mode. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.